Okay, so my first concept that I chose was math. And I chose it because oftentimes my students need a little extra practice with some of the material that we are teaching, and myself and other educators could benefit from this area. And so what I found is a website slash app called mathgames.com. And my intended audience for this is my sixth grade students. And the purpose or the goal is for extra practice or even reteach on a concept and check for understanding. With that, the two ISTE standards that align with this particular video are going to be 3.1D and 3.5C. So once you've logged on to mathgames.com, it's very simple to use. Your students can create a free account. You can have them even play without an account, which is wonderful. So they would simply go to the mathgames.com. They would select their grade level by going to grades. And if you are not assigning this, of course, there is more clicking involved and you may have to help your students get to this point. If you sign in, then you can go ahead and assign these things. So let's say we were doing exponents in my classroom and I needed to check for understanding. This is a way to integrate that technology, and students would simply go to where I'm directing them. They would start this game, and once it loads, it's full of questions that practice this skill. It's taking a moment to load. There we go. So 1 to the second power. If they said it was 1, they type in the answer. They click answer. It says correct. Down at the bottom, there's a bar that is going to show them how they're doing. So let's say they click 8 as the answer to the first power of 0. That's incorrect. It's going to show up yellow down here. So once my students got finished with this exercise, they could simply bring it to me and show me their bar down here, and I could check to see how many green, how many yellow, to let me know how that student is doing on this particular skill and whether they would possibly need a reteach or if they understand it well enough to move on. So this would be something I could share most definitely with other teachers. In my district, I'm the only 6th grade teacher, so we do have one class of every class. But again, if you noticed on this website, there's so much that you can do with it. There's multiple grade levels that can use it. There are games, there are standards, and even worksheets that teachers could print out or subscribe to utilize in the classroom.